Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add reviews to your Big Cartel website. So let's get right into it. Now, to add these to your website, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to find a widget or something else to embed on your site. And to embed it, you do need to have a subscription, so you do need to upgrade to a paid plan if you want to actually have access to it. But I don't, sadly, so I can't show you exactly how it's done, but I will show you where to go and where to embed your widgets. Now, once you set up a widget, Trustpilot works well. You can use any other widget that you want. You can go over into account, and then once you're there on account, you can go into your shop designer, click on the go to shop designer link, and it'll take you to your designer. Once you're here, you can go into code, and as you can see, these two functionalities are not available for me since I do not have the premium plan. However, once you have your widget embed, you can come here and you can of course add your code. Now you can change what your site looks like in the CSS that you have provided here. That is the only thing that you can change on the free plan, but your widget is HTML code and you're going to need to embed it somewhere else. Most likely you're going to have to embed it here in the integration code, which as you can see is not available for me since I do need a premium plan. However, that is pretty much it. You just add whichever apps and integrations you want over here and you're pretty much done. That's pretty much it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.